In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an n8n automation that checks ConnectWise for new support tickets, prevents duplicates with Redis, groups them by company, and posts alerts to Microsoft Teams. We'll start by adding a schedule trigger node in n8n and setting a cron schedule of 1-8-16, 1-5. This runs the workflow every minute from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. on weekdays, which is perfect for work hours. Be sure your n8n instance is set to the correct time zone so the trigger fires when you expect. Next, add an HTTP request node to get new tickets from ConnectWise. Configure the request so it only returns tickets with statuses like new, email, and new, portal, and limit it to the boards you care about. Exclude child tickets by filtering where parent ticket ID is null. That way, you're only dealing with top-level tickets that actually need attention. Now, add a query database node pointing to Redis. This node checks whether each ticket ID is already in your cache. If an ID is found, it means you've processed that ticket before and don't need to alert on it again. To make the comparison reliable, insert a code node that converts the ticket ID to a string and stores it in a field you can consistently filter on. For example, filter on this. Consistent data types prevent subtle mismatches when you compare values between the API response and Redis. Add a merge node to filter out tickets that have already been sent. Configure it to compare the ticket IDs from the API with those you've stored in Redis. Any ticket that appears in both sets will be removed, so only brand new items continue down the workflow. Then, add a Redis node to log each remaining ticket ID. Writing the ID to Redis right after filtering ensures that if the same ticket appears in a future run, it's immediately recognized as a duplicate and skipped. Next, use a code node to group tickets by site. Name and company name. Combine multiple tickets from the same company into a single message. Format each entry as ticket ID. Summary and separate them with HTML line breaks so the final post is easy to read in Teams. Finally, add a Microsoft Teams node that sends the formatted message to your dispatch channel. A clear example is, "Hey dispatch team, a new ticket has come in. Ticket 12345, server offline. Company. Example, company." With this automation, n8n checks for new tickets every minute, avoids duplicate alerts using Redis, groups related tickets by company, and delivers clean, actionable notifications straight to your dispatch team in Microsoft Teams.